PM and little kids crying. It's hard to be happy when there's kids dying. And no one's speaking up, man, they're staying quiet. Talking shit on the news, fam, we don't buy it. Little girl, she got malnutrition. Both parents dead, no supervision. Fuck the government and fuck the politicians. They ain't sending food, they send ammunition. Snipers on the roof, they got that shooter vision. Pigs killing unarmed kids, tell me who's the villain. Had me locked down, I've been through the system. Trust God, I don't believe no superstition.